Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We hope you're doing great. Just finally got our new iPhone 14 Pro Max 256 in silver color and so excited about it. Just a quick story for you. We upgraded from the 11 Pro Max and this is really big change for us guys. As you can see, no plastic covers, just some stickers. Let's do unpacking guys. So 1 and 2. And here we go. Let's open up. Oh wow, yeah, looks so gorgeous and me so like it. Yeah, and my favorite one. Okay, sorry. Let's come back to the unpacking. It comes with USB cable, the Apple logo sticker, and the manuals. And no SIM card key, cause here you will use the electronic SIM card, eSIM. Guys, just a quick comparison for you to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can see iPhone 14 has big cameras, but the phones almost have the same sizes. And as for me, they have the same styles. And one more time, check out the color. Check out the phone. In the end, thank you for your time. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video. See you later.